Oh, sorry about the light. Hey, what's up, everybody? Wasabi. And today I'm doing a fidget spinner giveaway. So I have all these spinners only for you guys, so you can enjoy spinning them. And today I have like my new customer over here. Hi. And yeah, so if you subscribe to me and like the video, you're going to get, maybe you should get the best one. So I prefer this one. It's the best because it lights up. All the 3 lights light up. Look. This one doesn't light up because in a shop, I was spinning it and it broke and all the stuff got out. But yeah, and so, and if you have the second like, you're getting this one, and it's a surprise for everybody. But yeah. I'm just doing a fidget spinner giveaway. It's kind of random, but yeah. By the way, everybody, thanks for 80 subs. Do you know what? I can't wait to reach 100 subscribers. Like I can't believe it. What about 1,000? Oh my god, like, I'm not even close to 1,000. So, yeah, all these cool fidget spinners. This one doesn't work, so I'm just going to put it in the trash. But all these, and I have another fidget spinner at my grandma's house, but, yeah, I can't bring it, so... Yeah, it's a Jacob fidget spinner. So yeah, sorry about my voice, by the way. I'm kind of sick, kind of ill. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.